When you are riding in the elevator, find out how to save yourself from an abnormal fall of the elevator. Please be sure to watch carefully. This video is likely to save your life in a critical moment. The first point is not to jump. This is a misconception that many people make. They think that when the elevator is about to fall to the ground, jumping up from the elevator can reduce the damage caused by the impact. In fact, this is not true. First of all, you can't tell when you are in the elevator. The moment of landing, your jump will only cause more impact on the elevator fall. There is also a high risk that the moment you hit the ground, head on the ceiling, thus causing more damage. The second point is not to panic. God will not come to your rescue. You can only rely on yourself. Then how do we have to be able to save our lives? First, we must quickly press the light on each floor so that when the elevator lands, it is possible to stop at a certain floor instead of falling straight down. Second, if there are handrails, we have to hold on to the handrail. If there is no handrail, we will lean against